Bonjour, Kinamagi and Ireland Adishnikas, and welcome to this reading of the My Math Chapter 8 assessment. This video is intended to be a resource for students who wish to have the assessment read to them. Students who are using Google Forms or the paper copy have the same questions, and therefore this video is useful to either group. There is no requirement that you listen to this. So if it's something that you just want to listen to the directions and then do it independently, you're welcome to do such. Otherwise, after the directions, we'll get into the meat of the test. Just as a reminder, when it says, "What is your name?" please use your real name. If you use Cheese It, Chicken and a Biscuit, or Mellow Yellow, I'm not going to know who you are. Just saying. Unless, of course, your given name is Mellow Yellow. Looking at the questions, they are all multiple choice today. You may need a sheet of paper to figure out some problems. And at the end, don't forget to hit submit. Failure to hit submit means your test isn't complete and can't be scored. If you're using a paper copy, please make sure it is turned in at the next available class session. If you are in the group A, you should bring it back to me by Monday. If you're in group B, you will likely be doing this in class. But if you're absent, then you may go ahead and do that. You may also figure out the answers using a paper copy and then select the answers here and submit it that way as well. Those of you who are planning to exit out after the directions, you may depart now, and I'd like to say good luck to you. For those of you remaining here, go ahead and put your name on it, and I'll give you 30 seconds to do that. Okay. During the remainder of this video, I will read a question, and then I will wait 10 seconds and read the next question. For some questions, you will need longer than 10 seconds in order to answer the question. So periodically through the video, I will remind you that you may pause the video, answer your question, unpause the video when you're ready to move forward. That gives you the opportunity to not be rushed and use an arbitrary 10-second clock. You will note that with this method, the video will continue, and therefore, if you miss something and you want to rewind it here, you may do such. You should also already have this form open before the video in order to be able to go back and forth. So question 1. Which number is a prime number? 2, 4, 14, or 24? Remember, you can pause the video and unpause it when you're ready. Next question. Which number is a composite number? 7, 11, 31, or 36? Next question. What is the simplest form of 2 over 36? Is it 2 over 8, 1 over 4, 1 over 18, or 1 over 36? Remember, you may pause the video and move forward with the video when you are ready. Next question. What is the greatest common factor of 3 and 18? Is it 18, 12, 8, or 3? Next question. What is the prime factorization of 24? Is it 2 times 2 times 2 times 3? Or 2 times 2 times 3? or 8 times 3, or 6 times 4. You may pause the video to select this answer. Unpause the video when you're ready to move forward. Next question. What is the prime factorization of 36? Is it 2 times 3 times 3, or 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or 9 times 4, or 6 times 6? You may pause the video and unpause the video when you're ready. Next question. What is the least common multiple of 12 and 18? Is it 28, 36, 60, or 72? Next question. You're going to select less than, greater than, or equal to fill in 3/10 compared to 3/5. Next question. You're going to select less than, greater than, or equal to compare 1/2 with 3/4. You may pause the video and unpause the video when you're ready. Next question. What decimal is equivalent to 3/4? Is it 0.5, 0.33, 0.25, or 0.75? Final question. Remember that after this question, you should hit submit. Sally is pouring an entire gallon of juice into 8 glasses. What part of a gallon will be in each glass? Is it 1/2 of a gallon, 1/3 of a gallon, 1/4 of a gallon, or 1/8 of a gallon? If you have returned to this video, don't forget to hit submit. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this reading of the My Math Chapter 8 assessment. I trust you've all done well, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session. Bye-bye.